Yeah, yeah.
Alright guys, so we just arrived in Toronto after 5 hours of drive from Montreal. So now we're going to Yorville. We're gonna visit and we'll see how things go. We're going back to the car. Alright guys, so we just arrived to the restaurant. We kind of late, so we will see if they wanna
Let us in.
Alright, so we in.
Baby, you can take it. If I put it down, you can have it. Baby, you can have it. If I put it down, you can take it. Baby, can you take it? If I put it down, you can have it. Baby, you can have it.
There's a menu. You can scan the QR code. Okay, perfect.
Alright, so that's the menu. This is what we have here. Sushi. Yeah. Martini. What is yours?
It's a Ciroc Dragon Fruit Rosé. So what's your cake?
Done, so we headed back to the hotel. Here.
Oh.
It's 1303.
Oh my god, there's a 13th floor? That's so not normal. We'll see if we have luck.
Anyway, we just stayed there for one night, so. Alright guys, so now I'm ready to go outside. We're going to walk in downtown, maybe shop a little bit, and then later on we're going to eat. Let's go, let's do this. We're gonna walk around to see what's around. There's a barber shop right there. All right, so let's go get a car and let's get something to eat. Yeah, it's currently raining.
Walking.
I hope it's gonna stop so later on we can go back to the Eaton Center. But for now, I'm starving. Alright guys, so now it's late night. We're going to the Toronto sign. Alright guys, so that was the last stop for the day. So tomorrow we're leaving Toronto, we're going to Tobermory. So thank you for watching and stay tuned because there's gonna be a second video, and make sure you guys subscribe.
Day 2.